you're looking for a way to become a full-time content creator, fully remote so you get to travel whenever you want while earning stable income, you should start social media marketing agency because that's what I do. I'm a former NFL pro dancer and I was working as a social media manager at the same time. I retired from NFL and became a pro dancer and choreographer, but I still wanted to keep creating. I started Levolution marketing in 2025 and built my client base over 8 months. Now I have a stable income that allows me to travel whenever I want while still being able to work from anywhere and make money from content creation. In today's video, I'll be walking you through a step-by-step guide on how to build your own social media marketing agency and how I would do it if I were starting from scratch. Before we jump right in, let me make it clear that this video is for content creators who want income, not virality. For people who want freedom of location and time in your work life. This is not for people looking for get rich quick or becoming an influencer. So let's start off by understanding what social media marketing agency and what I do for Levolution marketing agency. My target audience is a solo business owner who doesn't have knowledge and time to do a social media marketing, but they understand the power of social media, so they want to start utilizing them. The pain point of my clients are also, it's very important to understand your clients' pain points so that you can actually solve their problem. They don't have time to run social media. They don't know what to post. They don't know how to edit videos. They're not familiar with social media. And these are exactly what I do for them. I'll create 12 to 20 content per month with SEO optimized caption, with cover photos, so everything is ready for them to post. I also schedule posts for my clients if they allow me to log into their account. I research the trend and build their content pillar designed to their audience. If they're in my area, which is North Dallas, I go into their studio or their workplace to do a batch content shoot. So this visit structure gave me the dream lifestyle that I wanted because you get to have monthly contract with your business owner from 1.5K to 3K per month. And everything is remote even if the client is local based business owner because you can do 1 day content shoot and then everything else is remote work. So after you understand about social media marketing agency, you're going to get into the building phase. So I recommend pick 3 to 4 niche slash business type because content styles are very different from each other. So the key point for deciding what niche, what business type you're going for, pick something that you would feel passionate about. For example, I love skincare. I love taking care of my skin, and my mom used to be a former esthetician. So I decided to go for a spa client, like a head spa, facial spa, relaxation spa, all the kinds of stuff. The second niche that I picked was makeup because I feel like so many people love makeup and I had a lot of makeup products. So I decided to start creating content around my makeup product. But actually, this niche didn't stick with me. Like I said, I started off by making content around products that I had. And I actually got some PR packaging, which is cool, but I'm a very minimum person. So I got overwhelmed by a lot of gifts, free gifts, and I've been feeling like I have to make content for them. If you're getting free PR package, you don't have to create content. Snap a picture and post it on story. So the key is experiment with content creation process to determine if it resonates with you. If you find a joy in producing content within the niche, even without financial gain, that's your treasure. Because for example, for spa content, I love being in the spa. I love being in that environment because it's very relaxing and it's very aesthetic. So I can just keep creating content for spa clients. So for me, that's like a goal to me. So after you choosing the niche, you're gonna start creating content. And this allows you to discover the workflow, your content style, and gain more skills to edit faster. And let's start posting, and don't be afraid to post something that you create. I know my old content are like very, oh my gosh, I can't even watch them because it's very cringe, but that's the part of the process. Your content can be your portfolio. Set up your Instagram account, TikTok, YouTube channel, and LinkedIn. You can also pick your brand name by this time. Purchase the domain if needed to make sure it's yours now. So while you are building your skills, I was also watching YouTube channel to gain and update my information about algorithm updates, social media changes, and all that stuff. You don't really need to sign up for any course because I didn't. But yes, there are so many great courses out there. So if you feel like you have enough budget to invest in, why not doing that? But I didn't have a lot of budget, so I didn't take any course. All I did was to subscribe to some educational YouTube channel that gives me new updates and how-tos and start watching them daily. I was watching and listening to those YouTube channels while I was driving, cooking, when I'm doing my makeup, and all this stuff. So here are things that I recommend for you to learn. And these are the things that I'd learn if I were building Levolution marketing from scratch. The first one is, of course, content creation basics like editing or camera work and understanding the platform of Reels, Shorts, TikTok. Everything is very different. And basic social media marketing strategy, of course. And here are some YouTube channels that I was watching and I recommend you guys to watch. All right, from here, let's actually start preparing to welcome clients and get clients. And actually, this part, I didn't have a structure or a system when I was starting Levolution marketing, and it was a little bit of disaster. So please learn from my mistake. So here are 5 things that I would have before I start social media marketing agency. First one is your brand portfolio. The second one is a service information sheet or service information page on your website, client content strategy and branding template so that you get to use them for multiple clients, monthly content planner, of course, and then a website. I know you're probably like, that's a lot of things to create. Let me help you to save your time. I actually created all of my tools into templates so that you guys get to use them for your social media marketing. So I made a content creation starter kit. This includes brand portfolio. You need this for pitching clients, monthly content planner. This is for your client. And then branding and content strategy builder. This one is also for your client and for yourself to create the strategy and strong branding for your client. This also makes my clients so excited because they get to see the transformation that's going to happen in 2 to 3 months. And then creator must-have list. Total price will be $95, but I created the bundle and I'm giving you guys with $59 US dollars because I truly want the best for you guys and want you guys to experience the lifestyle that I have. And these are exactly the same tools that I use for my real client, and especially for the brand portfolio. I made thousands of dollars with this brand portfolio, so I'm pretty confident that this can help you. So click the link in bio or scan the QR code on the screen so that you get to download everything. And please let me know if there's any feedback or any requests that you want me to create and share with you guys in the future. So now this will be the final step before welcoming a client, is to create the client onboarding system. I didn't have a system for this part as well when I was starting Levolution marketing agency. So please, please, please learn from my mistake because it was a disaster welcoming my first client and I felt so bad. Having a clear structured system will help you client and you be on the track and make the process smooth. So let me give you the flow. I have a list on my screen, so I'll be reading them to make sure I'm giving you everything. So the first step is you either pitch or they will contact you, right? And then send your portfolio, your brand portfolio, including your pricing. Let them confirm the pricing first to avoid wasting you and your client's time. And this is where you can have agreement with them. Hop on a call to hear more about their business and their story, and then create the client's content pillar and strategy. From here, hop on a call again to make sure finalize the content pillar and strategy with your client. And after finalizing this content pillar and strategy, you can use this for all the month in the future. And from here, you're gonna get into the content creation. So now you're ready to find your dream client. And I actually got all of my clients without doing cold pitching or DM hundreds of business owners online. I got all of them from online without me reaching out to them. So watch this video next because I'm talking about the process, how I got all of my clients, which is a long-term client, and I'm pretty sure it'll help you as well. And I'm also talking about my failed experience as well, so you get to learn from my mistake. All right, this is Luna from Levolution Marketing. I hope this video was helpful for you. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. All right, let's get into the next step.